update on the big warm-up coming in your weekend weather and some showers right now. Steve.
We've got a little bit of both happening at the moment, Erica. We'll start with that rain you mentioned. It's been in Indiana for the most part, and places like where Alice lives in DeMott, around Newton, Jasper County in that area, thunder and the clouds rolling in. Same thing for Rensselaer in that area. Just to the north of Rensselaer, it's 87 in Rensselaer, but getting back to that heat. Now, the city is going to have this kind of weather over the weekend. 92 degrees now where Steve Swett lives, sweating it out, windy and clouding up to the west. That's another feature of the weather even tomorrow. It will be windy and hot. Paul is in Somonauk. It's 91 degrees there. Dew point, when that dew point gets above 50 degrees, you start to feel a touch uncomfortable. Sunny and hot there. And once again, winds up to 28 miles per hour. All right, if the wind's not doing you any favors, what about the other ways to cool off? Mary Kay has found the perfect way. I love that scene you've got out there in displays.
I have a way, Steve. What do you think of my office today? This is Mystic Waters Family Aquatic Center in Des Plaines. Hundreds of people came out today to get a break from the heat. And we haven't seen anything yet because this weekend we're really going to be hot. But right now it's 77 degrees. And what's so interesting is that when we parked, it was 83. And then I noticed winds started coming in off the lake out of the northeast. And that water temperature is in the 60s. So we start to feel that cooling just a bit. Well, we are bracing for the heat this weekend. And we expect a few days in a row of 90-degree heat. And since 1872, only 9 years have had 4 or more consecutive 90-degree days by the middle of June. Now, last time that happened was June 8th through the 11th in 1999. I have a whole new team of weather watchers. And and you know what, Steve, I forgot my towel, but I have my flip-flops on. We're live in Des Plaines. Back to you.
You better hope they don't forget. Wow, now I know where my sunglasses are. Hello, goodbye. Boy, that's a pretty picture out there. Take a look at this picture. This is an unusual weather event. That's a land spout right in the middle of the screen. It's akin to a tornado. This is along Route 1 today in Beecher in Will County. They sort of grow. It's a cloud that grows vertically and it looks like a tornado, acts like a tornado from the surface to the cloud, but it's not with an associated thunderstorm. The Weather Service says they're not expecting any more land spouts. That's kind of weather you sometimes get in Colorado. Hot. Tomorrow, that's the key thing to zoom in on, and that heat will be from, actually the worst of it will be from Sunday straight through the middle of the week next week. It gets you to thinking about records. The record for tomorrow was 98. I don't think we'll tie that Sunday nor Monday, but look at Tuesday, 95 degrees. That could be within reach by Tuesday afternoon because it's going to last that long. We may not hit 90 in the city tomorrow, but we will Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and we can even extend that into Wednesday as well. And you're thinking about the beach. We did have a beach hazard statement earlier today. The Weather Service has dropped that because of the worry over rip currents. This is for tomorrow. There shouldn't be a rip current worry, but look at that wind. Awful windy, southwest at about 20 miles. Look at that water temperature, 62 degrees. So tonight, after the chance of showers until sunset, it stays relatively mild, and we say goodbye to that northeast wind. Mary Kay was talking about how comforting that was. And here we go, all the way for the next 6 or 7 days. Erica, better weather news is that we do get enough rain to break that heat, at least by the end of next week.